Carnivore diet is very popular, but is cutting out all plant foods actually good for your prostate and erectile performance? I mean, I see some content creators talk occasionally about throwing in some fruits or some nuts, but most stay clear of that, right? I mean, I see people eating chunks of butter with their meals on the carnivore diet, and maybe like, you know what? This wanted me to take a deeper dive and see if this is actually helpful from my perspective and my research, if it's helpful for you, the person who's trying to heal your prostate and increase your erectile function. So carnivore followers, they believe that humans are designed for animal-based nutrition. That's where the root of most of their mindset is. And in my mind, the elimination of fiber for gut health. Some claim that fiber isn't necessary, but and fiber can even irritate the gut in some people with IBS and other digestive issues. Some say a meat-only diet reduces inflammation and boosts testosterone. But what does the science say, right? Why does the carnivore diet exclude leafy greens like spinach and arugula? Mostly. You don't really see that. They have this idea of anti-nutrients, this anti-nutrients theory. Many carnivore diet advocates argue that plants contain anti-nutrients like oxalates, which are found in spinach and arugula, yes. They can bind to minerals like calcium. They may contribute to kidney stones in susceptible individuals, yes. There are lectins that are found in many plant foods. These are proteins that some claim can irritate your gut, maybe. There's phytates. These inhibit mineral absorption, but they are only an issue in large amounts, high amounts in grains and beans. But the science says that prostate health thrives on anti-inflammatory nutrients like vitamin C, lycopene, fiber, things you get from vegetables, not steak, right? Nutrients for prostate health, you have lycopenes, which is on the top of the list, tomatoes, red bell peppers, watermelon, that reduces prostate cancer risk. You have omega-3s, anti-inflammatory. That's a huge thing and you can't get that from meats, right? You can't. Matter of fact, diets in high processed meats may actually increase prostate cancer risk. So what about testosterone and erectile function? Yeah, the cholesterol from the meat helps make your testosterone, but balance matters, right? Too much saturated fats can stiffen your arteries, leading to poor blood flow and a weaker erectile function. That can be offset by increasing exercise and other things. You can offset that. But blood flow is everything. In my mind, if your erectile function depends on nitric oxide, which leafy greens, garlic, and beets help to boost. So no plants, that's less natural nitric oxide available. Less nitric oxide equals weaker erections, generally speaking. So is the all-meat diet the answer? Well, from what I'm seeing, it's not the answer if you care about long-term prostate health and peak erectile performance. Some of the benefits of the carnivore diet, short-term, people often report, losing weight, reduced bloating, fewer autoimmune symptoms, and improved mental clarity. But that just could be because they're eliminating processed foods from their diet. They're eliminating sugar. They're eliminating seed oils. And I think it's more that rather than it's actually avoiding vegetables and avoiding fruit. Concerns long-term, cutting out all plant foods and fruit can lead to nutrient imbalances, lack of fiber, and potential gut microbiome changes. Leafy greens provide magnesium, folate, vitamin K, and other essential macronutrients that support prostate health and cardiovascular health. So in my mind, a better approach is high quality meats plus prostate supporting plants, fruits and nuts. Because from where I'm standing at, I see strength in balance, strength in not one extreme diet or another, but somewhere in the middle where you take the best of both worlds and use that to get healthy.